if you want to create drop-down menus here in Wix, well, this one is quite easy. You just need to adjust a few things there and add whatever you want. But yeah, what do you need to do here? Well, first things first is you want to access the editor for your Wix website. So I already am in my editor here. So what do we need to do here? Now, to make this a lot easier for you, we need to understand how pages and menus actually work. So at the left side, you have your pages here. Let's go and choose pages and menu. And as you can see, there are different pages that you can access in here, like this one, this one, this one, this one, whatever. Well, let's go and choose site menu here, since we want to edit the site menu, which is universally present on any kind or any page that you have in here, like you have here for your Wix website. But yeah, so in here, this is how things are actually organized. Well, one thing you need to understand with menus here for Wix is it's fully customizable. So by default, we have our homepage, our portfolio here. So by the way, let's go and just basically show in menu here so we can see like home, portfolio, or whatever here. But what we need to understand is if we press and hold on that item, like for example, I have for portfolio here, I can move things around. I can make reposition at the very last section here if I want to. But the thing with this one is if you, like for example, contact page here, I want to add this under the menu section. Well, if you put it under menu here and just basically adjust it to the right, you should get this one. So you'll notice that arrow or that line pointing to our contact page. So if you drag it in that position, whenever you access the homepage, it's now going to show your contact. So let's go and choose this one. So if you hover or let's go and click on this one. Let's go and click on menu here. Now, whenever you hover menu, it should show you your about. Let's go and click on preview here just to give you some idea. And once you hover it, as you can see, we have contact, and you can go and just click on it if you want to. Now, let's go and click on back to editor here so that we could still finish editing it. Now, same thing, if you want to add a different one, obviously you can go and click on add menu item here. Like you add like a dynamic page or a portfolio page, a member page or program page here, or even like a link or an anchor or a drop down here. So depending on what you want. So as an example, you want to add a link here, and I want to say I want to add this to google.com. Again, this is just an example. You can add whatever you want. Let's go and choose new window. Click on done. Now new link is added. So let's just say this is going to be for Google. Let's go and click on done. As you can see, it's now under Google. Now let's go and just click on preview here so that we can see it. And yeah, as you can see, there's Google. No, you just need to publish this in order for you to make it work on your website, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, if you want to change the design for it, you just need to click on your header, click on your horizontal menu, click on the design button here, and it should give you the option to edit it. Let's go and click on customize design. Now, the thing that you need to remember here is you have the option to change the menu container, the menu items, the drop down container here if you want to change the background or border display or whatever. So this is how you adjust that, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.